Today we're at a Cars and Coffee looking for ideas for our Ford Ranger build. But what we accidentally found was one of the rarest Ford Rangers ever built.
One of the rarest colors Ford ever done.
What started as a stock truck from his grandfather turned into a backyard-built off-road machine.
Built in the backyard.
So we tracked down the owner to figure out how he built it and whether this is the direction we should take ours. This is Daily Racer.
A lot of cool stuff out here as usual, but we stumbled across a pretty sweet Ford Ranger that's been built out to an extent, and so we're actually looking for the owner. Hopefully we can find him and talk to him about it, because kind of the concept I think that we're trying to kind of go for with our Ranger, at least is some version of this, you know, to kind of start building it out and souping it up, raising it up. So yeah, we got to find the owner of this thing and talk to him and see what he did. Pretty sweet little lift kit. It's been through some fun though. Definitely a skid plate down here with some damage, which is what you like to see. Pretty serious winch on the front too. We're just kind of getting started on the process.
I got you.
And so when we saw this, we wanted to hopefully find the owner and find out, you know, kind of some of the things you've done to it and why.
We actually bought this truck off my granddad. It was stock back then. It's actually 1 year color in the 2000s. It's only one of the rarest colors Ford ever done. It's a Mandarin Gold Metallic. So whenever we bought it, we kept it in stock. And finally we got hooked up with a bunch of Jeep people and decided, let's build it. Go out and play, go out trail ride, use it as a truck. So took it down straight to the frame, just a bunch of Amazon parts. I'm a certified welder, so from there we just started modifying everything that we could. It has a 6-inch suspension lift, obviously the winches front and rear. There is a winch mount up under the bed, welded on the frame. Factory 4.0 at the moment. We do have another motor that's being built. But other than that, I mean, it's built in the backyard.
Really? So you're just doing it all yourself, all of the house. Okay, cool. Where have you taken it? Just you kind of keep it pretty local, or have you gone out anywhere?
We've had it in Tennessee, in Georgia, and other than that, it's been local.
Okay.
Sayers Creek in Georgia, that off-road trails, we had those. Jocassee Gorges, those trails, it's been all over. So
you were just kind of hanging out with Jeep owners that are off-roading, and you were like, let's just build this thing out, or?
We do a lot of off-roading ourselves, normally on ATVs, and can't do it all on ATVs in the winter, so take a Ranger.
Yeah.
Not many people build them like this either.
Yeah, exactly. Like I said, it's kind of like we've been trying to decide what direction we want to take ours.
Everything's factory. It's nothing but torsion keys and then factory release springs with the spacer adapters on them.
So you didn't really do much with the suspension?
Not at all. You can actually see it back here.
Wow.
Obviously underglow and everything.
Yeah.
So right here, it's nothing but an adapter and then the body lift. This metal plate right here, the winch is not currently in it, but that is where the winch comes out.
Oh, I see.
It mounts there and then straight out the back. We've done this total 3 weekends. I believe we've put about anywhere between 5 to 10 grand in.
I didn't realize you'd be able to get this much lift out of it with keeping the suspension stock. How long has it been built out?
It's been like this 2 or 3 years now.
Okay, all right, good deal.
Obviously everything's custom, bed racks custom, wiring, like everything we've done in our shop.
Yeah.
Nothing has been taken to another shop.
Right. So have you built anything else out prior to this? Or since this?
Since this, I built a 2017 Silverado. Sadly, that vehicle got totaled.
Oh no.
We built this one and a 2020 Silverado.
Oh, right on. Okay, nice.
But other than that, it's just been, for me, it's some welding here and there on Jeeps for their off-road purposes.
Yeah.
But this is what started all of our builds right here.
Yeah, this was a good first choice. The correct first choice.
Can't go wrong with it.
Yeah, no, right, exactly.
We had the rear seats removed, had audio and everything, rear battery. These are out of another one. The other seats were tore up, found another Ford Ranger. We had bucket seats, put those in. But all the interior wise outside the radio and the speakers is factory.
Right on.
We tried to keep it as factory as we could.
Yeah, sure.
Also capable.
Yeah, exactly.
What's your favorite part?
Oh, Lord. Custom exhaust. I hate to say it, I am a noise person. But the exhaust is custom as well. It's nothing but a Flowmaster Super 10 straight back.
Right on.
With the tip.
Yeah. So you did all that too. You've done all of this. Nice.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Everything that has been done to this truck, me and my dad done it in our shop.
You think you've just keep it basically like it is now, or you got
We
other
are
ideas?
building the original motor that came out of this truck, doing a stroker kit.
Okay.
Just a little extra 100 horsepower on it, putting it back in, then building this motor.
Oh, okay. So this is not the stock motor that came in the truck.
It is a factory motor that came in the truck. It is the 4.0 V6.
Right.
Just out of a different truck
Gotcha.
while we're building the other one.
Right. Okay, cool. All right. So when's the timeline on the new motor?
Not 100% sure yet.
Yeah.
We still got to get it taken over there. Right now, it's hanging up in my shop.
Oh, okay.
Outside of the jalapeno green, this is one of the rarest Ford colors.
How long did you said you got it from your grandfather?
Yes, sir.
How long did he have it? Was he original owner or?
He was second owner.
Second owner. Oh, nice. Okay. And so do you like daily drive this thing, or you just bring it out for fun and shows?
We
and stuff?
daily it.
Daily?
We'll daily it. I've been dailying it the past couple weeks while I'm truck shopping, but other than that, it's in the yard. We'll bring it out places like this, or we'll just drive it.
Yeah.
She is a head turner. Not many people imagine it.
I'm telling you, and that's why, like I said, when we saw this, like of all of the cars here, like we gravitated to this one. We were hanging out here filming it and getting photos and stuff, hoping that we'd run into the owner. But because like I said, obviously we have this 05 that we want to kind of start building out, and we're just in the process now of figuring out like where do we start and what direction exactly we want to take it.
It's just one of those. It takes time.
Yep.
And a lot of
and that's something too, like because ours is a 2-wheel drive automatic.
Yep.
And so we've talked about even potentially converting it, 4-wheel drive, or converting it to manual transmission, or, we've toyed with some of these ideas as well. But like I said, we haven't even started. We're just getting kind of into the planning phases with it. So.
And that's where it all comes down to. We have torn this truck down. We had it fully built with the vision in mind. Originally, this rack wasn't on.
Right.
We built it bolted on to the factory bed mounts.
Mm-hmm.
Spare tire winch went from the front bumper to the rear race. And we decided we didn't like that idea anymore. We wanted to be full mounted.
Yep.
So we tore that out, built the rack, put the plate under, and done the front bumper and everything. But we've never had it stuck.
Yeah.
Never had it in the situation it couldn't get itself out of.
So never had to use a winch. Nice. Yeah.
The first time right after we'd done it, we took it out into a field.
Yeah.
Buried it.
Really?
Didn't have full wiring hooked up for the winches yet. So we too eager to go drive it, too eager to go test it. Just red clay South Carolina mud.
Yep.
And buried it.
Yep. Did you take it out at all during the recent winter storms?
We did a little. We didn't want to risk somebody else hitting it.
Sure, yeah, of course.
Because this is one of our pride and joys.
Oh, yeah, man.
And the amount of time and the amount of money, you can't replace this.
Yeah, that's right, exactly, yeah.